If you are wondering how long does the battery last on a Nothing Phone 4a, then let me just quickly elaborate. So if we consider a typical day-to-day usage of the phone, if you want to know on average how long does the battery last, then the answer is approximately 13 hours and 30 minutes. Of course, that time is going to be different for every user of the phone, simply because the battery can last longer or shorter, and depending on, first of all, what you do with your phone, how often you use it, what features have you enabled or disabled, of course, and so on and so forth. So, of course, the realistic battery life is going to be slightly different. I mean, how long the battery is going to last is going to be different for every user. But if we consider, like I said, the typical average using of the phone, and then on average it's going to be 13 hours and 30 minutes. Now, if you want to just make phone calls or receive phone calls on your phone, then in that case the battery can last almost 32 hours, almost 32 hours. And in the case of browsing the internet, the battery can last approximately 12 hours and 40 minutes. If you just want to watch videos on your phone, then the battery can last over 21 hours and 45 minutes. And if you just want to play games, then the battery is going to last approximately 6 hours and 40 minutes. So, like I said, depends what you do with your phone. So if you play lots of games and quite often, then of course the battery is going to last less. If you watch videos, for example, all the time, or if you just use it to make calls, of course. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.